Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mr.J here. Just a rainy, windy day. Hope everyone's doing great. Hope everyone's having a good one. Um, I'm doing alright for myself. That's how I'm doing. As you can see, the lighting in my bedroom is not that great. So, just gonna go with it and see what you guys think. I'm kind of stuck in my bedroom for the moment. The weather's really bad. I really would like to go outside and start exercising, start walking. I know I can exercise in the house, but that's not so easy for me. It's not. I wish it was, but it's not. Um, um, let's see, what could we talk about that we haven't talked about? Um, give me a moment. I'm gonna think. My sleep for the last few days. I had one night where my sleep was excellent. I actually slept through the night, no problems. But the next few nights was horrible, absolutely horrible compared to sleeping through the night. I have sleep apnea really bad. I have insomnia really bad. I've taken most of everything over the counter and behind the counter for sleep. Right now, I'm taking so much stuff that it just doesn't work. I wish it did. I've tried everything. So I know you guys are gonna mention in the comments about to try this, try that, try this, try that. Believe me, I've not 9 times out of 10, I guarantee that I've tried it. So, um, if you want to put something in there that possibly may help, go for it. But I can guarantee you I've tried it. I tried almost everything when it comes to sleep. Um, let's see. Recently, as of yesterday, actually, um, was my dear friend's birthday, and he's no longer with us. He died naturally by a heart attack, and it's the 1 year since his death that he passed away. And well, it's not the 1 year that he passed away, it's his first birthday since he's passed away. It was his birthday, and yesterday was a really hard day for me for a lot of reasons I would love to get into, but it's hard. It's a hard situation all around. It really is. Um, Maybe one day I could talk about it. Maybe I will talk about it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. It's just really hard to talk about because I've got a lot of backlash because of it. Anytime I did talk about the topic of hand that I really don't talk about because it's really hard. It Really is. I wish it was easier to talk about. I really do. But I can't at the moment. Um, I don't know if it's because I'm worried about more backlash or I'm just worried about what would be said about me later. Because every time I did talk about it, people tell me I'm wrong. I'm not this. I'm not that. I don't know where they're getting this from. Maybe they're defending the idea of this person or what, but we paint a certain picture on people. Like, say, celebrity. If you knew John Travolta and, you know, you knew him for so long and you knew this person for, you knew him as this great guy and he would never do something so bad, and then I come along and I say I know John Travolta, and I say that what he did to me, it was like so profound and so not like John Travolta that you know, and you come at me and attack me because you're protecting this image of John Travolta that you know. Well, every everybody has their own side of a person that they know, and they want to protect that image, and I get that. I respect that, but don't attack other people for what you believe to be. Question it and then go off of it. That's what I would say to do, because a lot of people came to me about a certain person, and it's just it's just not right for what they did to me, what they've said about me, what they said I should do. And it's really hitting me hard. It really has. And they just don't understand it. They don't get it. And that's fine. But at least hear my side. Don't just stick to the one side that you believe to be that one side. Because there's always another side. There's always another side. Um, well, I'll leave you guys with that. I hope you're all doing a great day, having a great day. Um, and we'll see each other tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll take it from there. So I hope you're all having a great one, and be well to each other. Be awesome. Look out for your friends and family, and just be awesome with each other. All right? Peace.